check out the laundry sorter or portable hamper from SONGMICS. Overall, it's been working out awesome for me. A couple things that I love is just how easy this is to move around. So wheels on the bottom, so you can easily push it throughout your house as you're picking up laundry. And these wheels do also lock too, so if you do want to lock it in place and have it not move around on you, you couldn't do that. Another couple things I like is I love the labels on here. They're just like little pieces of leather. You can stick down here so everything is nicely labeled and sorted for you. And then on the inside too, and I'll grab the bag to show you, it's going to be divided in here, and these are also just Velcro too, so you can take the bag out and carry it with you if you want to do that. I'm going to grab the camera here and show you what the inside looks like. And here's going to be what that inside looks like. So divided nicely throughout, so you know your towels here, white clothes here, colors here, and like I said, handles here. Pull it out and carry it with you if you want to do that. But overall, great way to sort your laundry, easy to use. There's basically no installation process on it. So super happy with this. I give it 2 thumbs up.